my image is saved with animation like I did. So if you want to change anything more, like if you want to crop and rotate, like I want to just take like this, and then I want to rotate I can do it also. If I want to flip horizontal, click on this and it will be click horizontal. Okay, let me click on save, apply, let me play it how it go. Okay, good. Let me check again. Okay, premium rise. Okay, perfect. This one is perfect for me. So okay, let me add some filter. Sorry, let me add a effect. I added effect. Let me click on apply. It's applied. Now let me add some filter like light. This light is okay, and then I want to add some element like, let me select one first, let it to download. Okay, now add this. Not good. Not good. Okay, now play. Okay, perfect, good, perfect. So now let me save it and download again. It will be download. Done. Let me show you the video. This is the video. Perfect. I hope by this way you can also edit your picture, image or video. Thank you for watching my video. I hope if you like it, then comment, subscribe and share. Thank you.